In a small town lived a young boy named Arham. He wasn't the strongest, the fastest, or the smartest. But he had something most people didn't notice: a heart that refused to give up. One winter evening, a terrible storm hit the town. Winds roared, trees shook, and darkness covered every home. Everyone rushed indoors, locking their doors and windows. But Arham noticed something. An old woman who lived at the edge of town had no family, no help, and no light in her home. While everyone hid from the storm, Arham stepped outside. Rain hit his face, wind pushed him back. But he kept walking, holding a small candle in his hands. By the time he reached her house, the candle flame was almost gone. His clothes were soaked. His hands were shaking. But he knocked on her door and said softly, "I brought you a little light." The old woman's eyes filled with tears. No one had checked on her. No one had remembered her. Except Arham. He stayed with her until the storm passed, helped her warm some food, and lit more candles around the room. The next morning, the entire town learned what the young boy had done. For the first time, people saw Arham differently. They didn't see a small, quiet boy anymore. They saw courage. They saw kindness. They saw strength. And Arham realized something. Sometimes, the smallest light in the darkest night can change someone's entire world. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be powerful. You just need to be willing to take one brave step, even when no one else does. As Allah says in the Qur'an, "Whoever does righteousness, it is for his own soul." If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that inspire kindness and good deeds. Thanks for watching.